Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. Today we're checking out the lineup of premium adjustable suspension components from Lynx. Each of these control arms and track bars are available for the 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK, 18 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL, as well as the 20 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. These control arms and track bars all feature adjustable ends, allowing you to fine-tune their length to the exact specifications required for your specific suspension. Now, because of the large amount of adjustability in these control arms, they're actually compatible with everything ranging from a stock height suspension all the way to 4 inches of suspension lift. The control arms are sold in pairs, while your track bars are sold individually. You're going to find all your factory style connections like we have here on our front lower control arms for things like your brake line brackets. And where these control arms and track bars really shine is right here in their Quadraflex dual durometer poly bushings. Now, these bushings have been designed to give you an impressive 30-degree improvement of articulation over the factory bushings. They're going to perform just like a heim joint without all the harshness, noise, and vibration. That means you're going to get impressive amounts of articulation when you're off-road on the trail, climbing over those obstacles, but a nice, quiet, smooth ride when you're back on the road. Now, all of the control arms and track bars in the lineup from Lynx here are constructed from heavy-duty, either 2-inch or 1.25 DOM 1026 carbon steel to give you high-strength control arms that you need to stand up to the abuse when you're headed off the pavement. If you guys want to get more information or to purchase anything here in the lineup of premium adjustable suspension components from Lynx, you can click that info button, head over to quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about any of the components we went over today, you can always leave those for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And as always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.